Hello, this is Lyle Alexander, and I want to show you how to leverage $1 a month. Come along with us as we're building teams of 39 and leverage $1 a month into over $7,200 a month. Watch this.
In 1 minute, I'm going to show you how working together we grow teams of 39 people to create a residual monthly income of over $7,000, starting with a product purchase of only $12 per year, plus a $2 setup fee. Are you ready? Enroll for $14 yearly, and you will receive a digital magazine quarterly. Share the basic enrollment with 3 people, and through team building we grow a team of 39. Then team build again, and you are earning $131 per month. Want more? Use a little of your profits and purchase the Emerald package and receive a shopping discount card. We show the rest of the team how to do the same, and your earnings grow to $1,769 per month. Still not satisfied? Purchase the travel card and the diamond package using your profits. We continue to show your team how to do the same, and now your income has soared to over $7,200 per month. Imagine a $12 purchase and earn up to an extra $7,229 every month. It's that simple.
Well, there you have it. And come along with us today. Click the link in the description below. Be patient with the website loading as it loads a little slow, but is full of content. And then also click links in the description below to come along as part of our team of 39 team build and see what else we're doing. We're leveraging teams of 39 into multiple streams of income. Come along with us today.